In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text in Canva. Whether you're designing a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation slide, knowing these skills can significantly enhance your efficiency, saving you time and effort in your creative process. Let's start off by opening Canva and navigating to your project. If you've not already done so, sign into your Canva account and choose the design you're working on. Now, let's find a piece of text that you want to copy. This might be a text box containing a title, a subtitle, or any other text you've already placed on your design. Once you've identified the text, click on the text box to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border with blue corners around the text box. Now, to copy the text, you can either use a simple keyboard shortcut or right-click to access menu options. If you're on a Windows computer, press Ctrl and C together, or if you're on a Mac, press Command and C. For those who prefer the mouse, right-click on the selected text box and choose Copy from the drop-down menu. This action saves your selected text to the clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. With the text copied, it's time to decide where you want to paste it on your design. Click on the area where you'd like the text to appear. To paste, you can again utilize a keyboard shortcut or the menu. On Windows, press Ctrl and V simultaneously, or on a Mac, use Command and V. Alternatively, right-click in the desired spot and select Paste from the menu. This will place your copied text onto the new area of your design. After pasting, you'll want to ensure the text fits perfectly within your design layout. Most likely, you'll need to adjust the position or tweak the size. Click and drag the text box to reposition it where you desire on the canvas. For resizing, simply click and drag any of the blue corner handles inward or outward, scaling the text box to your liking. Finally, it's a good practice to double-check everything for accuracy. Make sure the pasted text appears correctly, and review your overall design to see how the changes fit. These small details add polish and refinement to your work. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively copy and paste text in Canva, a fundamental skill that will streamline your design process. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical tips. Happy designing, everyone!